AI trading in banks is not about clicking buy and sell. It's a full system built on data, models, and strict risk control. Here's how it actually works step by step. First, data ingestion. Banks collect massive amounts of data, market prices, order books, macro data, and even news sentiment. This runs in real time. We're talking millions of data points every second. Next, data cleaning. Raw data is messy. Errors, missing values, time mismatches. Banks filter, align, and normalize everything because bad data means bad decisions. Then, feature engineering. This is where the edge is created. Instead of raw prices, models get signals, momentum, volatility, liquidity, order imbalance. No data but meaning. Now, model training. Machine learning models analyze patterns and learn how markets behave. They don't predict the future, they estimate probabilities. After that, backtesting. The model is tested on historical data. Does it work? Is it stable? What's the risk? If it fails here, it never goes alive. Then comes the most important part, risk management. Every signal is filtered through strict rules, position limits, maximum loss threshold, market exposure. AI doesn't have full control. Risk always comes first. Now, signal generation. The model outputs a decision buy, sell, or hold, or a probability, like a 70% chance of going up. But this is still not a trade. Next, execution. This is where precision matters. Orders are split, timed, and routed across different exchanges. The goal is simple reduce cost, reduce slippage, stay invisible. Then real-time monitoring. Systems track performance, risk, and anomalies. If something goes wrong, the system shuts down instantly. Finally, feedback loop. Every trade feeds new data back into the system. The model adapts, improves, and evolves. So what's the truth? AI trading in banks is not a shortcut to profit. It's a complex pipeline. Data, model, risk, execution, feedback. And the model? This is only a small part of the system. If you want to understand trading, try understand the system behind it. Thank you for watching.